Trubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki Ngut ki MDC Kynthei ki bedang Shusha Jhadc ki layok ban bam Smai mentakasngi Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council. Kini ki Ngut ki MDC Kynthei ki kentop ya kong Violet Lingdo MDC Shimet na Rumbai Clear Constituency, kong Devi Paya Tongper VPP na Narpo Constituency, bat kong Layawan Lam Jinghun Khenriam VPP na Minso Nangjingi Constituency.
I, Shrimati Devi Payati Tongper, having been elected from 28 Narpo District Council constituency as the member of the District Council of the Kynthei Hills Autonomous District, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Asante Laiwan Lamjin, having been elected from 9 Minsu Longjing constituency as the member of the District Council of the Kynthei Hills Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about